How you gon' compare me to him? Them niggas ain't put in no work. It's Yachty, I came from the dirt. Not diamond status with perks. Not diamond status with perks. I done made a few millions on merch. And I'm rich, that's why she won't flirt. And she know how to take me serious. I live in the pyramids, it'll never work.
Hey, man, it's your boy, Fat Boy, trying to get a hat boy going.
Yeah, my shit going.
He said,
already all kind of fun.
Let me do intro. Let me do intro.
Let me see an intro, bro. Let me see an intro.
Hold on, ready? Hey, man, say, man, this your boy. Man, you got a video. That intro is hard.
You need to get a t-shirt or you need bullshit?
I mean, we finna leave. I'll just get it later.
Tomorrow, man.
Okay. We can just Oh, shout out my boys right here, you know what I'm saying? Met him at the Disney thing. We can't talk about it until it drop, but hey, look at his car though. Like, god damn. Look at that motherfucker.
We're gonna dog this hoe today, man.
Yeah.
Yellow belly, no cop.
Yeah,
All
look,
crazy.
We got the inside. We ready.
Hey, you didn't even see my shirt though.
Oh! No, don't
You didn't even see my shirt.
Look at this.
See my shirt,
Look at it. Look at it. He got Kendrick on his shirt. Kendrick Curry, high 7'3". You gotta show. Wait. Let's surprise him.
oh, I thought he took
You
off.
already know.
Oh, you already know?
No, he wasn't there. I thought he took off. I was saying, why you take off to the Walmart?
Let's all, you feel me? Yo. Oh, man. I'm finally vlogging, boys.
They got short, man.
Little vlog, bro.
Bro, I was telling you, we should record this nigga's fucking exhaust sounds and just play it on the aux when you take it off. Like, you should have really got like a fucking fog machine and just let that bitch like in the hood come out the car looking like you pushing
Yeah, I
the
think
fucking
that
seat
motherfucker
shit.
boom.
They were like, nah, he definitely got a Hellcat swap in that bitch.
Hey, look, bro. Y'all haven't liked the video. What are y'all doing, bro? It's free 99, bro. Tell the people,
Man, like the fucking video. What the fuck is you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing just sitting there not liking that shit,
Exactly,
bro? I understand people say, hey, like the video, you probably just like tune it out, but like that shit.
Like it,
We
bro.
waiting.
Tell them,
Don't
bro.
pause the video. Go like that shit right now, man.
Yeah,
fuck
yeah.
What the fuck you want?
Let them know, bro.
Let them know, like the fucking video.
Hey, like the fucking video, bro.
Yeah.
Boy, Patchy, like the fucking
Yeah,
video.
nigga.
Fucking free.
We go, nigga. We go, nigga.
Look at the monkey.
That boy vlogging.
Say ooh, ooh, nigga. Say ooh, ooh,
Say da-da. Say da-da.
Nigga lost 300K. That's crazy. Never in my life.
We all gotta get gas.
That nigga lost 300K. Hell. What he said? Say da da.
That shit crazy. I lose 300.
So I lose 300K. I'll be
Alright, we
mad.
go get it. He finna ride at me. I'm ready for it. That motherfucker loud.
Alright, move. I'm about
He said my turn. This nigga said my turn.
Class should have fucking been around like a
I'm gonna look around just in case.
He said look around. Just let me look. Let me be the lookout. What you talking about?
Go ahead, round that bitch.
I'm good.
Yeah, you good. Hold on, somebody else?
There we go,
I think somebody else revving it.
Somebody else rapping.
I don't know. I heard it. That motherfucker, yeah.
Somebody wanna line this bitch up right now. Somebody line it up right now. Lay out my car. That bitch loud, gang.
Now we all gotta spend $10, $20.
We all got shit. Turn it out.
Me on that bit right now, man. Fuck.
Like, niggas,
Nah, that's a swap. That's a swap.
Shit.
Swipe price on my account. Let me have this strike with
15. He should have read the talk, bruh. In the Kia, bruh.
In the Kia.
I don't know. This nigga need to get cash and he got it on his car.
Y'all don't know what's in the top. That's why I don't pop the hood.
He said pop the
Don't
head.
even song, man. Don't even song.
It's confidential.
Don't flex
It's
it.
okay.
My shit, dude.
That shit dirty as fuck too.
I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna ask niggas to rev it. Dang.
Fuck.
I feel like that nigga with a camera now.
Shut the fuck up. You got a cameraman. Oh, God.
W weak, man, for real.
Damn.
It was him.
How the hell this
Nigga with
nigga
the dreads.
Alright, so this is where we actually look at their cards. So go ahead and get that.
Everybody go before me.
Yeah,
Y'all think I be singing and shit all the time? I can really pull girls without, you know what I'm saying, singing and shit. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this shit right now. This is where it starts. I'm not gonna lie, let's go right. Thank you.
You get a bite.
You
You get a bite.
Not bad. God damn.
I ain't looking at the body, I'm looking at that ass.
The bike is tough.
I know that bike is clean. Carbon fiber all the way is crazy.
If it's real, that's 1 unit.
Hey, y'all do it again.
Damn, close the gas cap, nigga. Shit.
God damn, nigga. Damn, his shit. Are you good?
Oh, hurry up, man.
Damn. That nigga treat you like a bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay
It's,
tuned.
Mine is Canel Joseph. I took your shit, nigga. Go ahead.
Can you type it in?
I guess.
Wait, Dana.
Wait.
Nigga, give me the keys.
Oh, is it already?
Oh, yeah, I gotta do what's the name? Alright, I should do what's the name.
Hold on, they gotta go.
Let that bitch warm up. Let that bitch warm up. Let that bitch warm up.
Let that bitch go.
That motherfucker go in.
Not the track. Not the track. Alright, bro.
This nigga almost got me. Hold it under pressure. He
Oh,
didn't
shit.
know.
Cops coming.
Wait, the keys right there.
Ain't no fucking cops coming.
I got a spot inside. Daviosa. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we gonna go in the middle. These niggas scared.
Hey, this is my car seat. Hey, what's going on?
Chillin'. I finally.
Yeah, this is Chief Keith. Chief Keith?
That shit smells good. Oh, my bad. You can go.
Go ahead, go ahead.
You gotta go. We can try to get in the middle.
Yeah, motherfucker. Ah, damn.
Oh, shit. We gotta scoot over. Oh, my God.
This shit is not stable.
Oh. Hey, y'all better keep y'all balance up on God. You can zoom in too. they doing best. They doing best. I got $2 on the black card.
I got $1.
I gotta think about it, man. I gotta
Damn,
think.
I almost fell forward.
This hoe going.
Oh, y'all heard me, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, we wobbly, bro. We fucking fall.
We try to go. They got bets. Look, this is everybody that got bets. Hey, if you got a bet, put your hand up.
This is a goddamn domino effect. If we fall.
Hey, nigga, this is where we get our money at. There you go.
I wonder if someone else.
Oh, some over here. There's spots right here. We gotta get him. That's the best spot though, cause we see the track and shit. But they're like
Over there, there's an empty spot. Okay, let's walk through. Maybe we finna go over there because there's more spots.
you can't really see them. Oh yeah, you can see. We might keep. Nah, they coming.
This against a truck is some good ass race. This against a truck. God damn.
Scoot down.
Yeah, if we go down there, something that go up, but I don't know. It's too far back. That's too far back. Hey, even these wobbly. I got Hey, I got a little cash though. Hold on. I got a little.
Little Maya. Little Maya.
Hey, I got cash though.
$5 bet. $5 bet.
I might have this man.